Hi guys, my name is Elena, and in this tutorial I'd like to talk about the essential skill in surfing which we call pop-up or take-off, or simply transition from laying down on the board to get up on our feet. So let's look closely on the first movement we do when we catch wave and ready to transition to our feet. What's important here is shoulder mobility, elbow position, and weight distribution. I'm here on my board in a good position, paddling for the wave, catching the wave, and see what I'm doing. The really first movement, I'm opening my shoulders, rolling them backward, projecting my chest forward, keeping my head up, nicely look at the direction where I want to go, then keeping my elbows really close to my body. While I do the really first movement, just pushing up, I'm keeping my body weight on my shoulders and my hands. This helps me to maintain the momentum, right? So I'm still going forward or in the direction I want to go. What if I don't know what's going on? Let's say my shoulders roll forward, my head down, my elbows are far away from my body, and when I'm ready to get up on my feet, I press up the board and whole body weight goes to the tail of the board. So I'm breaking my speed, I'm losing the momentum, and very often I see how surfers lose the wave in this position. So again, I'm here on my board. I'd like to roll my shoulders backward, keeping my head up, chest projected forward, elbows close to my body. I press up the board and keep that body weight on my hands and shoulders while I'm doing transition to get up to my feet. Once again, what's important here is your shoulder mobility, position of your elbows, and weight distribution during the beginning of movement. And these three components will really help you to execute that transition in the most comfortable and balanced way. Let's look at it again. How can you train just on your yoga mat? Roll your shoulders, keep your elbows close to the body, open your chest, project your head and chest forward, push off the floor and move all your body forward, keeping your body weight on the hands and shoulders, right? Roll your shoulders, elbows close to the body, press up the floor, keep going forward. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.